Nissan Qashqai J10 from the year 2006 to 2013. Changing EGR module. Open the engine bay. There is where is located the module. Under the hood, under the air intake. Take off the negative pole of your battery. Remove the air intake up like that. Use the socket 10 millimeters open. Be careful so that you don't destroy anything. Sometimes you have to remove the cables aside in order for you to reach the nuts. There is your module coming out. Use your hand. Sometimes you have to knock it a little bit because it's stuck by any dust in the engine. Looking dead. You can choose two things to do: clean it up or buy a new one. Use a sharp knife or anything sharp like that. Clean up the outside because it's really stacked, greasy, oily, anything fat. Open it like that. And why do you open like that? You open like that in order for you to check what is inside. If all the mechanism inside is functioning well. Try to open it if it's working. Sometimes you can use a knife or anything to open it up because it can be stuck. Or maybe you have forgotten to open a certain nut. Look around and see if all the nuts are open. Now your module is ready to be opened. Use a knife again. Now you can open it. Your EGR module looks like that. Remember to return it when you close it as it was before. Just roll it to see if it's anything inside stuck. As I can see, my module is not stuck, so it's about the diary outside. the module. I use the brake cleaner to clean out all the dirty, all the greasy, or everything which is stuck in my module and outside my module. But be careful, in the module you don't use the brake cleaner, because you can damage and cause any shocks, electrical shocks inside. Now my module is ready to be returned where it was supposed to be. As I said, today I'm using the new module, EGR module, because my car has gone more than 15 miles or 150 miles, kilometers, so I feel like I need to change to a new one. Return the nuts, two nuts as it was before. Return all the cables as they were before. If you don't remember, if you think you don't have that capacity of memory as mine, please take photos on the engine, in the engine, when you open up the engine before you start opening anything, so that it can be easier for you to return the things as they were before. As I said, you're using a socket which is 10 millimeters, not more. Remember that when you roll it close like that, you are closing to a aluminium surface, so that you don't use too much energy, little bit, so that it's stuck. That is enough. That is the lesson of today. So if you have anything to say to me, just leave any comments, like this video, share to all who likes Nissan Qashqai J10. As I said, I'm not perfect, I'm trying to be perfect. And I cannot be perfect without you telling me what to do, how to become perfect. So try to return as it was before, as I said. And remember to return even the cables as they were before, the intakes, everything as it was before, so that your engine is running as it was before. Remember, even the cables and all the sensors should be returned as they were before. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I wish you all the best with your Nissan Qashqai J10 +2 or without +2, and enjoy your car. Have a good one. Bye bye.